I'm going to explain you all the most important concept, probability. So let's get started. First of all, you will not find a question paper in any competitive exam without a probability question. So it is very, very important that you must have good knowledge in this probability. So let's get started. Random experiment or trial. An experiment which can be conducted under identical conditions where the outcome is certain is called as trial. You see, if you toss a coin, the outcome will be either head or tail, right? So the outcome is certain here. It may be yes or no. So that type of experiment is known as a random experiment or trial. Sample space. The collection of all the outcomes in a trial is known as sample space. Head and tail, in case of coin, is a sample space. Mutually exclusive events. The happening of one event prevents the happening of the other event in a trial is called as a mutually exclusive events. If you have written an exam, you will either pass or you will fail. You can't pass and fail at the both time, right? So if you pass, you will not fail. If you fail, you will not pass. So those type of events are known as mutually exclusive events. I hope you understood mutually exclusive events. Now, simple and compound events. If in an experiment or a trial, the events can be further subdivided, then the events are known as compound events. Otherwise, they are said to be known as simple events. If the event can be further divided. For example, let us consider a box B. In that, blue balls are there, green balls are there. If you pick a ball from it, it may be either blue or green. You don't know, right? Picking up a ball from it and then deciding whether it is blue or green. It is a compound event. If it contains only green balls, then it's a simple event, right? And then dependent and independent events. Dependent and independent events. If the happening of an event depends on the happening of the previous event in a trial, then the events are said to be dependent events. Otherwise, the event is said to be independent event. Dependent event means it will depend on other events. The past events. Independent event means it will not depend on any other event. Probability of happening of an event E in a random experiment in which there are n sample points means n outcomes are there and m favorable outcomes. You need m favorable outcomes, then the probability of happening of that event is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes, that is m by n. Let E bar denotes the not happening or not occurrence of an event, then we can say that P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E, that is happening of an event, 1 minus happening of an event, that is P of E, 1 minus m by n, that is equal to n minus m by n. P of E is to P of E bar. If you see odds in favor of the event in a question paper, then use this formula. Probability of favorable outcomes is to n minus m. Probability